Well, hello, my creative friends, and welcome to live stream. So, our chair challenge is continuing, and today we're gonna draw a beautiful Scandinavian chair. It will be in frontal perspective. So, first of all, you will need a piece of paper and a regular black ink gel pen. Then you will need one light colored marker, one medium colored marker, a black marker for accents, as well as white pastel pencil if you have one, but if you don't have, do not worry, please. So, chair challenge day 2. Today we will draw this Danish design chair, and I want you to guess who is the designer, because it's one of the most famous chairs in the world. So first of all, we will outline our chair. We'll show proper necessary measurement. Let's show that its width is like so. Then I will show the height of the seat, and I will show here as well the horizon line, so it's gonna be an eye level, and our vanishing point will be placed right here. Let it be an A vanishing point. Alright, so this chair will be in frontal perspective, or sometimes we call it one point perspective. That means that we have only one point on the horizon line to which all the vanishing lines, all the lines of convergence converge. So basically, these are all the lines of convergence. And then I will quickly show the thickness of its legs. By the way, if you don't know yet, I have a completely free mini course on perspective drawing. It's for complete beginners in interior design drawing, and I cover the 1 and 2 point perspective. So head over to my website, olgaart888.com, and you can find all the information there. So let's assume that we outlined our chair. Then I start with my light colored marker, and I put some basic coloring here, like that. I'll put it on the legs, the frontal and back legs, put it here and there. And please, you guys, don't forget that this is sketching. We don't need to make this drawing like too academic, too serious. Just play with it, enjoy the journey, enjoy the flow of the lines. By the way, on my YouTube channel, olgaart888, I have a free tutorial on how to train your hand in order for you to be able to draw straight, nice and straight lines. Then I proceed with a little more bright color. So, anybody, any guesses? Who is the designer of this chair? It's really very famous design. I will give you a clue. So it's a Danish designer. It's a 20th century, mid-century chair. So any guesses? Who is it? This designer, he was born in Denmark, and as some of you know, I lived in Copenhagen, in the capital of Denmark, for almost 3 years, so I really felt in love with Danish design there. Okay, so it looks like that. And please let me know in the comments below, are you an interior designer, or maybe you are a furniture designer, maybe an architect, maybe an interior design student? So please let me know, my friend, where are you from and what do you do and why are you interested in sketching. And right now I want to put some drop shadows here. So we have some nice shadows to make our chair look grounded. And at the very end I want to put some accents with my black marker. As you maybe noticed, I love to use brush nib of the markers. So I really adore working with professional markers such as Copics, Chartbox, Pro Markers. On my blog I have a whole post on this theme, which markers are the best choice for interior design drawing. Also you can check it on my website untitled.com. So I'm satisfied with these accents. Try not to overcomplicate it, try not to overdo it. And for the final detailing I will put some nice texture here. I really like this feature of Danish design that they used to use very nice and raw materials from nature, like wood, linen, right? So now I will quickly render this wooden texture. Okay, and at the very end I will put some final details with my white pastel pencil. So maybe some lighting, some highlights here and there. And yes, we are satisfied. Alright, so it was Chai Challenge by Olga Sorokina. Hope you enjoyed this quick live stream. Please let me know your thoughts and I can't wait to see your drawing. Please put the hashtag Sorokina. This is my surname, by the way, Sorokina Students, here on Instagram, and I will check your drawings. Alright, so have everybody a nice and productive week. And let me check your questions. Do you have any questions, my friends? Hi Silent Beast, hi Hero, hi Artemeva, hi Elvira, hi Tensik Bayev, hi Adart, hi guys, hi Jenna, hi Teda. Teda writes that I like the drawing, thank you so much. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate and put them in the comments below. And I will wait you on my perspective challenge, which you will find on olgaartated.com. So see you guys. Bye for now.